Vélodon C8 Di2. DAHON's first carbon road bike featuring DAHON-V technology has arrived, bringing a revolutionary innovation to the road bike world. DAHON's DAHON-V technology further improves the rigidity of the entire bike and enhances the speed of all categories of bicycles. It has been featured in many leading international media outlets, including Forbes, Reuters, and PR Newswire, gaining widespread attention in the industry. During the research and development process, the R&D team of DAHON drew design inspiration from the structure of birds for this carbon road bike, applied for multiple patents, and gave it a new name. The Vélodon C8 Di2 is a cutting-edge carbon road bike designed with DAHON-V technology suite, setting a new benchmark for DAHON's collection. The meticulously designed eagle frame uses the strongest, most reasonable, and stable triangular structure. After testing, it's shown to have 15% higher rigidity and is 12% lighter than standard carbon road bikes. The wind-braking eagle frame, consisting of the top tube, down tube, middle tube, reinforcement tubes, rear top fork, front fork, seat tube, and head tube all feature aerodynamic teardrop profiles, significantly reducing wind resistance. The front fork's rigidity is 20 to 30% better than that of other high-end carbon road bikes of the same weight. The soaring top tube connects the top tube and the seat tube in a straight line, directly linking to the rear axle, maximizing rigidity between the front and rear triangle and the bottom bracket. The integrated handlebar and wheelset enhance overall performance, while Shimano Ultegra D2 and UDH derailleur hanger guarantees smooth and stable shifting. With its low-step design, the bike is rider-friendly and safe for all levels of riders, offering powerful acceleration and an appealing edge for urban racing. Unlike other brands where the middle tube is often weakened to accommodate the derailleur, DAHON's middle tube uses a dual-bend cone design, making it 10% more rigid than a round tube, effectively increasing strength and stiffness. Crafted from Toray T 800 grade carbon fiber, known for its high strength and excellent mechanical properties, this bike features internal cable routing and a low cross design for a clean and sleek look. With a large logo and exquisite paintwork, it embodies the rider's spirit. Combining power and speed, this bike delivers a thrilling urban racing experience, offering a whole new level of speed and excitement. The launch of this road bike marks a major milestone for DAHON, expanding beyond folding bikes into the high-performance road bike category. Equipped with our advanced, fast-lane technology, this bike promises to redefine the global large-wheel bicycle market. As always with DAHON, expect nothing but the best. This road bike features top-tier components and a carefully crafted design to ensure superior performance and reliability. With Shimano Ultegra Di 2x12 electronic shifting, enjoy smooth, precise, and effortless gear changes. The Shimano Ultegra 3652 T hollow chainring, combined with the 1132 T rear cassette, ensures fast acceleration and smooth pedaling for any ride. Our high-performance carbon fiber disc brake wheels are lightweight, durable, and offer smooth braking, even at high tire pressures. Plus, the Schwalbe 1 puncture-resistant tires ensure a safe and smooth ride, even on complex surfaces. Shimano Ultegra hydraulic disc brakes provide exceptional braking power, enhancing your control and safety on the road. Designed for a wide range of riders, our customizable frame sizes ensure the perfect fit. Weighing just 8.1 kilograms, this bike is light, fast, and ready to handle up to 105 kilograms. For those who demand speed, performance, and style, this bike is your ultimate ride. With over 40 years of history, DAHON's founder, Dr. Han, is regarded as the father of folding bikes. DAHON has been recognized by Guinness World Records as the largest folding bike manufacturer, holding over 500 international patents over the years, including industry-leading innovations. Most folding bikes worldwide incorporate 5 to 6 DAHON folding technologies, embedding DAHON's DNA. Choosing DAHON means choosing trust and quality. With DAHON's perfect folding technology, you're embracing a light, fast, stylish, and refreshing new lifestyle.